Hi everyone! Yes, it's been a while. Allow me to say, welcome back to my channel! This video has been kept for almost a year already due to my busy schedule, but these memories with a majestic view of Catanduanes deserve to be shared even though it's kinda late. Without further ado, here's the third part of our Catanduanes trip last 2023. Here's the resort ground. Pavilion. Hi, ate. Hi, the Rebs. Ano to? Isa-isang table tayo. We started our day 3 and also our last full day in Virac by enjoying the beauty of our resort, the Midtown Inn Resort. Isa nga sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa resort na to yung walkway nila connecting the resort itself and yung dagat. Lakas maka Maldives ng vibes, diba? And ang maganda pa dyan ay pwede din kayong literal na mag-breakfast by the beach at umaura-aura na parang ganito. Kuya, ang dami! Una naming pinuntahan ay ang Luyang Cave Park located below San Andres Virac Highway. The historic cave served as a hiding place for locals during the Moro raid in the early years of the 18th century.
Hi guys! Bilis na. Dito kami sa Luyang Cave. Sobrang dulas na, so safety first tayo, kaya let's go back.
Hindi na din kami nagtagal masyado sa cave dahil bukod sa madilim ay madulas na din dahil sa mga lumot, kaya after few minutes ay umakyat na din kami. On to our next stop.
Hi! Papunta na kami sa lighthouse. So ito yung itsura namin bago umakyat. Mga ilang steps pa lang. So tingnan natin maya-maya kung ano nang itsura natin. Let's go, guys!
A few moments later.
So, ayun. After ilang minutes na ba? Mga 10 minutes, ganun. Ayan. Pahinga muna kami. Konti.
Ganda ng pamaypay.
Sarap nga.
Lapit na tayo. Parang hinag-step lang.
Lapit na tayo.
Ay, grabe. Tingnan yung legs ko. Shiny, shimmering. Grabe. Gumantika.
A few moments later.
In 48 minutes, narating namin ang lighthouse. 48. Oh, tingnan. Ito yung mga mukha nyo ngayon.
After! Welcome to Bote Lighthouse!
bensound.com.
Grabe, it was really a breathtaking experience. Yung hiningal na kami lahat paakyat, pero lahat yon nalimutan namin because of this view. Madami na din akong napuntahang lighthouse, pero first time kong makaakyat talaga. What more can I say? This video explains how amazing God's creation is.
bensound.com. bensound.com. bensound.com.
Yay! We survived lighthouse! Huli ako! Let's go! Kain na na!
bensound.com.
We also dropped by the oldest church in the province, St. John the Baptist Church, also known as the Bato Church in Bato, Catanduanes. The church is built with mortar and coral limestones and is designed to fight against strong typhoons, earthquakes, and other natural calamities in the island. Next stop is the Maribina Falls.
Ay, abakan naman.
Ayan po yun.
Diyan.
Abakado po. Abaka. Punta kami sa Maribina Falls. Maribina pala.
bensound.com.
Medyo hapon na kami nung nakarating sa falls and unfortunately, hindi ganun kalakas yung current ng water. We just had picture taken. And for our last destination, we went to a house where famous latik in Virac is being made. Mga latik. 5 hours. Kanin ba yan, kuya?
Oh,
Bigas. Tapos sa... anong kahoy yan?
kahit ano.
Kahit anong kahoy. Finish. Papa.
Ito pa naman yan.
Para po na green siya.
Binabalot mo siya ng ilaw. Tapos,
Doon pinapakulitan. Grabe na. May ano. May process.
bensound.com.
Ano yan?
Di nag-ano din po kayo, tay.
Ano to?
Sauce. Yung sauce. Yung nag-ano kayo sa Manila, nag-deliver.
Kung nag-deliver.
bensound.com.
Time for free taste! Pero hindi to free taste na small portion lang, ha? We got to taste one whole part, kaya parang nakalibre na din kami ng merienda. Mabigat sa tiyan yung isang piraso dahil gawa to sa rice and surprisingly, nagko-complement talaga sa sweetness ng sauce yung latik, kaya salt talaga. Latik is really delicious, so make sure you try this when you visit Virac. At dahil ginutom na ako sa part na to, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video. I hope you enjoy this part 3 and the last part of our Catanduanes tour. Thank you for watching!